Welcome to Senior Tech It Easy. My name is James, and I'm truly happy you're here. This channel was created by two brothers, Victor and Ingrid, who wanted to make technology simple, calm, and enjoyable for everyone over 50. I used to wait for my kids to fix my WhatsApp or ask my grandson to help me with ChatGPT. But not anymore. Here we'll learn step by step how to use WhatsApp, ChatGPT, Gmail, YouTube and more. No jargon, no stress. You'll see it's not difficult, it's just new. Technology isn't just for the young. It's for all of us who want to stay connected, safe and independent online. If you've ever felt lost in the digital world, this channel is your space to learn with confidence and joy. Subscribe now, download your free WhatsApp SOS guide, and let's begin this journey together. Take it slow. Learn with joy. Let's take it easy.